The EAGLEVISION LED CSP H7 headlight bulb stands out as a robust lighting solution for automotive enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. With a remarkable power output of 400 watts, this bulb is engineered to deliver optimal brightness at a sharp 6000 K color temperature, providing a clear, white light that enhances visibility and safety on the road. The LED CSP technology utilized in this product not only contributes to its impressive luminosity but also ensures longevity. The durable construction and excellent heat dissipation mean that the bulbs can withstand prolonged usage without compromising performance. This durability translates to a longer lifespan compared to traditional halogen bulbs, making it a cost-effective choice over time. Furthermore, the EAGLEVISION LED bulb's energy efficiency aligns with the modern driver's need for sustainable solutions. Operating at both 12 volts and 24 volts, this versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars to larger trucks.